If you've forgotten your password for Citizens Bank, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Citizens Bank website. Go to the official Citizens Bank website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Citizens Bank. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements, and confirm it before submitting. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Citizens Bank account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.